Hey everyone, welcome back to IsaBeauty. This is Isabelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this really soft pink makeup look, so if you're interested, just keep watching. Today I'm using brow powder by Urban Decay to fill in my eyebrows. Now that our brows are looking good, we're going to move on to protecting our skin using the SPF 28 by Face Reality. It is a physical sunscreen and it is safe for acne-prone skin, which is why I love it. I need to protect my skin. I don't want to get any more scarring, and I just show you how quickly this really does work into your skin. I'm going to conceal my under eyes with Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics, and you only need a little bit. A little goes a really long way, and I'm going to start on the outer part of my eye because I don't want it built up too much directly underneath my eye, and you can see that I just really work it in. I do both eyes at the same time. I just work the excess product around my face, and now that the under eyes are done, we're going to move right onto eyes. We're using Pinkity Drinkity as an all-over lid and crease color. I'm applying a very thin application of this foundation. I really enjoy this foundation. It's very buildable. And then after that, I'm going to go back in and touch up my eyes, and I'll probably do that about 2 more times throughout this makeup application. Now I'm bronzing up the skin just a little bit around the perimeters of my face and my nose. I'm sweeping Pink Buttercream by Laura Geller all over my cheeks, my nose, and my eyes so that way everything comes together nicely. This has become one of my favorite blushes. I bought it last year when I had pink hair because it matched really well. I'm using Forever Young by Anastasia Beverly Hills in collaboration with Nicole Guerrero because it is just the best shade ever. This palette is bomb. You need to go get it because it's back in stock. It never fails. I always get mascara all over my eyeshadow. So I'm going in after it dries with a Q-tip to clean it up, and then I reapply more eyeshadow. I'm setting my brows in place by using clear mascara. To make sure my hair stays in place, I'm going to use gel and just sweep everything back and then do another low bun. For the last pink thing, we're going to go in with Instant Bowl. This is a soft matte lip cream by NYX, and it just really completes this look and puts everything together. After that, we're going to go in and spray some setting spray, and then this look is complete, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look for the springtime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that way you will be notified when I post my next video. Until next time, peace. just come on here and let you guys know that I will be posting a video for all of my favorite dairy-free, gluten-free packaged snacks. I have really been enjoying some lately. I've been sharing them on my Snapchat, probably the most DMs I've received about food ever. So I just wanted to let you know that I have a lot more that I'd really like to share with you guys and let you know that that's coming up soon. If you are interested in like how I'm doing that or my results, let me know and I can make a video about that if you're interested. It's amazing. I'm really happy with it. I have a lot of great snacks that I want to share with you guys, so stay tuned for that and I'll see you guys soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.